TL3220 Series is an ultra-miniature, surface-mount tactile switch with RGB illumination potential. The gold contacts deliver a 100,000 cycle life expectancy, and the switch can operate in temperatures ranging from -40 to 85 degrees Celsius, while offering protection from dust and solid objects at an IP5X rating. The TL3220 is a single-pole, single-throw switch with an electrical rating of 50 mA at 12 VDC. This tact requires an operating force of 160 GF and a short travel distance of only 0.2 mm to actuation. Tape and reel packaging is offered for faster, high-volume assembly and savings on cost and space. All these attributes make the TL3220 suitable for the industrial, telecommunications, audiovisual, and medical markets.